Hello traders, and welcome back with Trading with Bill. You can always catch me at tradingwithbill.com. Check out my website. Nothing big, just a place to hang out, look at some videos, see what's going on with me, what I'm up to. And also you can follow me on Twitter at WKG1960. Love to have you follow me on Twitter as I tweet during the day, during my trading hours, and that's about 15 hours a day. Traders, today is September 25th, 2014, and we are trading the Forex market, and we are helping losing traders become winning traders. Traders, let me introduce myself to you. My name is William Gilday, and I am who they call Bill. Traders, I started trading in 2006 and 2008. I retired from a wonderful career in the fire rescue department out of the great state of Florida. 9 days later, got on the Thai Airways big airplane out of JFK Airport. 17 hours later, I landed in Bangkok, Thailand. And today, traders, I am still here in 2014. Absolutely loving life and trading every single trading day. It is just wonderful. Having a great time. Asia is a great place to trade. Why? Because I can trade pretty much all 3 trading sessions and still get 8 hours of sleep. Only trade about 3 hours into New York, though. Then it gets about 10, 11 o'clock at night. Time for me to wrap it up for the day. All right, that's just a little bit about me, traders. Traders, in our trading room, we have hooked up with Indicator Warehouse, and you can get the URL on the bottom of the page. Please go and visit that. We use the diversified trading system that in our live trading room. And I've got some charts to show you. We actually did a live trade today, and we actually made profit today, traders. It was a great day in the live trading room. We had a great crowd today. We had 12 traders in the room. The room's only been open just over 2.5 weeks, and it's doing well. So I encourage you to go, again, to Indicator Warehouse's homepage and go check out the diversified trading system. Traders, if you'd like to join me in the free live trading room, if you just take a snapshot and that URL at GoToMeeting, that is the same code every single day. Our trading room opens 15 minutes before the London Open, and we stay in the room about 2.5 to 3 hours, and then we get out, and we have a good time. We had a great crowd today, lots of good questions, and actually a live trade today, and I'll show you that coming up next. All right, traders, let's head over to our first slide. The diversified trading system works on 3 different systems called the 3 birds, and the bird I'm showing you here is called the Falcon. So this is our swing trading system. So I want you to take a look to the left of the chart, and if you take a look right in the middle of the chart, you see there's a dot, red dot on top of that Rinko bar. We use Rinko bars, mini Rinko bars. So this is a 12. This is a 12. This is an 8-tick chart, and what we have here is, I would ask the traders in the room, do we have a signal, because we have the red dot, we have the red triangle, then we have the double dash marks telling us to go short. Do we have a signal to trade? And then I put an arrow down to the momentum bar on the bottom of the page, and of course not. We did not have a signal to trade. Everything was not lined up. The momentum bar was green. The Falcon line was green. So we had no trade entry. DTS kept us out of this, and depending on where you put your stop, you might have got stopped out on that green Rinko bar right after the entry. All right, so we'll move on over to where the pivots are. You see where the pivots are? I got a bunch of arrows there. Well, the top arrow is showing you where the dot is. The second arrow is showing you that there's our triangle. And if you look at the bottom there where it says S1, you'll see an arrow to the side. That is our dashed mark where our trade is, where we would enter. And you can see on the Falcon line, it is red. It is red. Look at the bottom of the chart, traders. It is red. Everything is lined up for this trade to go. What a nice bounce off of the pivot point. The DTS system, all its signals were there for the trade to sell. And if you would have entered this trade, you would have had a very nice day. Worked out very nicely. All right, I want to take you over to the next chart, and this is another one of our birds. This is our hawk, which is our scalping chart. Remember that each bird is a different system, so you don't compare one with the other. You know, it's nice when all of them line up, but that's not the purpose here. You want to use, each one is for a specific reason, and this is our scalping bird. Remember, the one before I showed you was the falcon, and that's our swing trading bird, where you just plan on being in the trade for a couple of hours, get maybe 20, 30, 40 pips, and then get out. Well, this is a scalping bird right here. And in this bird, you know, you're in for 10, 15 pips, 20 pips to get out, right? So that's what I'm showing you here. And what I wanted to show you was, take a look at the top of the chart here and look at the micro line, the thin green line that turns red and comes back down. And what it does is it crosses the macro line, right, with those little arrows. Okay, that's the macro line. Well, it makes a cross there. Well, we know that we don't take trades on gold bars. That's the system telling you, hey, listen, this is not a good time to take this trade because the system doesn't know what's going on yet, and we haven't decided if we're ready for a trade or not. And it hasn't calculated a signal to say, go. What happens a couple of bars later? We get a red dot. You see the red dot on that candle there with that wick? Next candle, there's our triangle. There's our hash mark. Thank you very much. The next candle, you see that little red arrow with the yellow outline. That's our entry. Away we go. Thank you very much. What is that? We get in there at about 27 or 28. And you're probably out at 10. So that was a good 18 pip trade right there using our hawk, which is our scalping system. And notice on the bottom of the chart, it's red. So everything lined up. Everything was the way it was supposed to be. We followed the rules, and you were patient and waited for that macro line to turn red before you got into it. In fact, you really didn't have a choice because you didn't get the signal till it did turn red. So DTS protected you by, one, giving you those gold bars, two, keeping that macro line green, then it turned gray, which means we're not going to touch it, and then it turned red, giving us our signal to take the trade, and that was a nice 18 pip trade. And what does it do? You get out of the trade. What happens? It comes back up, and what happens? You get another signal to take it short. And I took the slide already, so I don't remember exactly what happened after that. But this is our hawk chart. This is our scalp chart. Remember, traders, this is only a 6-tick chart. Well, we made profit today on our 6-tick chart, and let me bring it over to that chart now. Traders, I want you to take a look at the top chart on the right-hand side where we have 2 arrows. This was our trade today that we took in the live trading room. That was our entry. And unfortunately, the way the slide came out, I took this all 4 slides were up. So the next slide will give you a clearer picture of what happened. It just doesn't show you where the entry is. But I wanted to show you where the entry is. And we took the entry, and we got a nice 10 pips on this chart on a live account in the live trading room. Everything was lined up. We had a red line. We had a red indicator, which you can't see. You'll see it on the next slide. And everything worked out. We just took this down to this support here. This was S1, right? And we took it down to support here, and we got out of the trade, got our 10 scalping pips, and we made profit today. Very nice scalp on the hawk bird. All right, traders, let me show you what that looks like. Well, if you remember, I told you that I didn't have pictures of it, but you can see where the, if you look to the right of the chart, you'll see where we have the dot on that candle with the little dot at the bottom. The next candle showed you a triangle, and then you see the hash mark. Okay, then you saw the candle with the arrow. We were late for this, and we ended up getting it on the next candle. And we took that red candle, and we took that down to our take profit area, which was this 44.25 area. And we made a nice 10 pips on it. Traders, you can see this was a live account. There's my account number up there. This was not a demo. This was not a simulation. This was live in the live trading room. We had, actually, we had 13 people at one point today in the live trading room. Very good day in the live trading room. Had a great time. Lots of fun. Traders, I hope you come and join us. And I'd like to thank you, my friends, for taking your time to watch our video. And please go to Indicator Warehouse's homepage And of course, register for the live trading room. We start our live trading room 15 minutes before the London Open. And we're in the room about 2 hours, 2.5 hours to 3 hours, every single trading day, Tuesday through Friday. So if you get there today, we can see you in the live trading room tomorrow, and I'll explain to you more about the diversified trading system. Traders, you have a great day. Enjoy the New York session, which is coming up in about 3 hours, and looking forward to it. Date is very light today, though. Light day today. Traders, coming to you live from Pattaya, Thailand, as the sun's getting ready to set. Traders, you have a great day, and we'll catch you tomorrow. Take care now. Bye-bye.